We have a new abstract flash badge and it's called the Duper Academy Badge. So Super Duper is back, but actually with a new flash badge. Let's click on view all. As you can see here, we had the Super Duper badge in the past and I showed you this in week 5 of the mainnet. Had way bluer hair back then. And this time they are back and we need to do more to be eligible to claim this. And in this video here, I'm gonna give you a short step-by-step guide on how to do this. As always, we're here in the reward section of the abstract portal. I got the full guide here. If you don't know how to set everything up, how to get out funds of the abstract portal, how to fund the portal, how to bridge, and all of that is covered in that video, so make sure to check it out. But now we're in the rewards section and we have the Duper Academy Badge. This badge is awarded to those who completed both tutorials and played one casual or ranked game. Let's click on view details and let's click go to app. And if you click on there, then a Notion page opens, and this is super good because this way there's an explanation actually on how to get this badge. And let's gonna go through this real quick because the videos are very good. You need to sign up, and I showed you this in the previous video. Let me open this in a new tab. Make sure you're on the official sites. This duper.gg. Play now. And we need to sign up with abstract actually, so it is counted. Let's click approve. Successfully connected with abstract. Now let's go through it. So you need to complete both tutorials. There are 2 tutorials now. Back then when we got the first badge, it actually was enough to finish 1 tutorial and a casual game. Now you need to do a casual game and 2 tutorials, play and complete a casual game, no AFK, which is important. So you need to sign up and then you need to complete the 2 tutorials. So there's also 2 times abstract XP, casual and rank. And you need to click on the X, or otherwise you will be redirected to the abstract portal again. Subscribe to email updates, no. Welcome to Duper, continue. Win big with just $1. Casual games start at $1 per game. Ranked games with $10 or entry, but we just need to play a casual game. And you can grab a season badge, but you don't need to. Alright, as you can see here, I did not play the game. I only did the tutorial back then, and now there's 2 different tutorials and I need to play both actually. We're gonna hit play and then you're gonna go through the tutorials and you need to finish both of them, not only one. It takes a bit of time. Actually, I'm not going to show you how to play in detail here because that would take way too long, especially since there's server errors right now, so it doesn't really work right now. Probably too many people trying to do this. But with this Notion page, it's super simple to do this. In the tutorial, you just follow what they are doing and then you finish the tutorial. It's super basic. You can do this with both of them. And then you need to actually play and complete a casual game. They cost $1. They are open 24/7. You click on this here. So if we go back, let's close this because it didn't work. So you click here and then you can actually start. And as you can see here, everyone should have 1 chip. So you actually don't need to spend any money on this badge here. New players receive 1 free chip voucher after sign up, so you can play for free. And since the beta phase, if you've been in week 5 and got the badge there, here the normal super badge, then you should be getting this free chip. So you just need to play the 2 tutorials, which are super buggy right now, so I can't show you, and 1 casual game. You don't need to win this. This way you will get this new badge. Today the abstract experience points are due as well. I got a video on what's going on with the pudgy penguins coming up because they're basically everywhere right now. They got the game coming up and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about that. And apart from that, I hope all of you claimed the Triple S badge. Actually, they announced this via the portal after I posted the video on the same day, like 12 hours later or something like that. They also announced it, so it wasn't a secret, but still, if you claimed it during the 48 hours, then you should also have this badge. And I bet a lot of people don't really have it because there was so little time to actually get it. That should be it for this quick update. Let me know if you got the Duper badge, or if you have any trouble with the tutorials or the casual game, then let me know in the comments and I'm gonna try to help you out with this one. So thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.